Okay guys, so short update on the battery charger that I've made earlier. So as you can see, the battery is fully charged now, and it took about 24 hours to completely charge this battery. Now the reason that the battery took so long because the battery was already charged, and as the charger delivers the current to the battery and the battery charges up, it sort of reduces the current slowly as it approaches the floor charge voltage, which is now 14.09 volts. So now the overall current that is consumed by the battery, or that is taken by the battery, is about 40 milliamps, which is far less, and the maximum current capacity of this charger is about 600 to 700 milliamps uh, due to the resistor, current limiting resistor. And the regulators, they became slight hot, but not that hot, just slight hot, uh, because they are meant to get hot, and if they get too much hot that they might damage, but they didn't, and they lasted for 24 hours. So the temperature is quite uh, adequate for these regulators to operate, and the transformers are slight warm, not that heated up. So this was it guys, so I can call it a success. But the charger is not that efficient, but still it's a success because it does not overcharges the battery, and the regulators are also slight hot but not that super hot. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll keep you posted. Have a nice day. Bye bye.